Hello, how to deposit in IX Broker.
First, log into your trading account. Link my.ixbroker.com/login. 1. Navigate to the deposit section. You can find it in the left sidebar menu, marked with a wallet icon. If this is your first time making a deposit, you'll need to complete a short form. Don't worry, this is a one-time process and won't appear again for future deposits. 2. From the drop-down menu, select the country you reside in. 3. Enter the name of your city. 4. Provide your full address. 5. Input your postal or zip code and click on Submit. 6. From this tab, you can view the available payment methods and supported networks. Select the one that suits you best. Note, if you plan to deposit using Toman, please refer to its dedicated tutorials. 7. Your selected payment method will now be displayed on the screen. 8. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in the provided box. Please note that the amount should be in USD, regardless of your chosen payment method. The system will handle the currency conversion automatically. Note, the minimum deposit amount is $50. Deposits below this amount may lead to account issues or the loss of your funds. Note, ensure that the selected network matches the one you're using for the deposit. If there's a mismatch or an error occurs, the broker will not be able to recover your funds. 9. Once you've double-checked everything, click the Continue button to proceed. On this page, you can review the details of your upcoming deposit. 10. This section shows the equivalent amount in USD. 11. Here, you'll see the equivalent amount in your selected payment method. 12. This is the QR code for the destination wallet address. 13. Below the QR code, you'll find the destination wallet address. You can copy it using the provided icon. Note, each wallet address is unique and valid for a single transaction only. Do not reuse it for future transactions. Always generate a new wallet address for each deposit. Note, if you deposit less than the minimum amount, do not make another deposit to the same wallet address. For further assistance, please contact our support team. If you scroll down on the deposit page, you can track and monitor the status of your transaction. Once your transaction is complete, the status on the page will update and turn green. For further confirmation, you can also check the Funds section.